Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automate an Excel sales report using cursorai code editor tool. So right now I'm using the free version. Okay, it also has a pro version for 2 weeks. So next what I need to do is just add a folder here. I will open a project. Let me just create a folder in my D directory. So I will create a folder called Excel report. Okay, and just select a folder. Look, the folder has been added. Now next I need to give a prompt to the AI, so AI will automatically generate a code for me. Okay, so here these are different models that are being used. So since I'm using the free version, so I will choose this particular model, GPT 4.1. okay, so the prompt that I will give is this one. So write a Python script to automate an Excel sales report using openpyxl or pandas. These are two Python's libraries. So I'm going to present the information in the form of charts. It will be well formatted and the name should be with proper format. Okay, so I will calculate the total average and generate a summary report. So also here I'm going to provide the data set should be of more than 1000 rows. Okay, now let me just copy and paste it over here. Okay, and I will select it is already selected. Now I will quickly click send and it will automatically create a code for me, a Python script for me. Okay, if these two libraries are not installed, you can also tell AI to please first install these libraries and then create a code. Okay, so since I have already installed these libraries, so I don't think there will be any issue as far as these libraries are concerned. So I will accept all. Okay, now I will request AI now to run the code for me. So please run the code for me. Okay, and I will click send and this will create, look, this will create this script first, pip install -r requirements.txt. so inside this file it has all the libraries. So first it will install all these libraries. Okay, so I will click run. Yes, the script is running, the command is running. You can also view the command over here. Let me just open a new terminal. Okay, run it again. Please run it again. Requirement already satisfied. Okay, move to background. Okay, let me just go to here and move to run. Now it is running the Python script. Okay, these libraries have been installed. They're basically I've already installed, so the message is that requirement already satisfied. So look, the code is the script ran successfully. It has generated the report. Okay, now let me just check my report over here in my D directory. Go to Excel report. Okay, this is the script and this is the report. Let me just show you the report. This is the data set, this is the summary. It is giving me the total sales and the value, average sale, total units sold, average units sold, and then it is giving me the information in the form of chart. Okay, so the report is automated. Now if you want to do some changes in your data set, you can do it very easily and then you can easily run the script. Okay, all you need to do is just request an AI to run the script for you and AI will automatically create an updated report for you. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the process. In the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you and have a great learning.